is Waltham Butternut, and we absolutely love this variety. It's probably my most favorite summer squash or winter squash that comes out. But these guys are huge. They're just gigantic babies.
Wow.
Look at these. They're humongous. But my favorite is butternut squash soup. And we have a lot of gardeners that just enjoy cubing it and cooking it, but definitely a favorite.
Heck yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I would say a lot of the tomato varieties were amazing, and a lot of people struggle with tomatoes this year because of the heat.
Well,
a lot of people I've heard struggled with tomatoes. This particular garden really struggled with tomatoes.
Wow.
I did not. I did a lot of Snake River seed tomato varieties, as well as winter sowing. Those that I don't know if it's the combo or if it's just Snake River seeds, but I had nothing but success at my own house, and I think I had over 40 tomato plants. So it was good.
Which can you think of your favorite tomato? I know it's hard.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I would say the flavor-wise, and also just like it's so exciting looking. I would say the Costoluto Genovese was one of my favorites, but I would say that the Oregon Spring tomato did really well for me this year. That was one that was new for me this year, and Snake River Seeds did. I mean, like that was a great tomato. I would say that. Oh my gosh, so many good tomatoes. The Cherokee Purple, that's one that just always does really well. But actually, it did. I think that was the best this year overall. The Japanese climbing cucumber was another one that just I have 4 children, and the Japanese climbing cucumber, the English cucumber is the best thing I can equate it to. That's amazing. It's a very, very mild skin. It's not something that I have to shave off for my kids. We just slice, or I mean, like we slice it, but also my kids will just take an entire cucumber and just like, you know. But they truly, they'll each go through a cucumber a day if I let them, which gets real expensive in the stores. And the Japanese climbing cucumber, which I know is Snake River seed, I was getting on 8 plants, probably 2 to 3 a day. Still happening, it's still going, and it was an early producer, so super happy with it. We'll definitely do it again.
There are lots of different seeds that we enjoyed this season, but probably basil has been most productive, most vibrant, most amazing, even if they're right next to each other and you're like, oh, it's the same seed. But you look at it on pictures and they're like, wow, and then you look on the real plant and it's like amazing, and the fragrance and the use of it, obviously.
So my name is Nicolette. I've been a part of the community garden. This is my 2nd season. I only buy Snake River seeds first, and then if I can't find what I'm looking for, then I'll go on to the next one. But always Snake River seed first. They're my favorite. I've always loved the produce. I think it's the Blacktail Watermelon. It's my favorite.
Nice.
So good.